Our ancestors relied on this preservable source of energy for centuries. How do you think we got the energy to build the Great Wall of China or the complex Egyptian pyramids? Energy bricks, duh! These are the ingredients you'll need for this reliable source of energy. Raisins, basically nature's gushers. Oats, what horses use to win races. Mixed nuts, you'll want to make sure it's a mixed variety to ensure a varied wavelengths of energy, raw of course. Carob, cacao has caffeine, which is artificial energy. We only want the stuff that'll have you sustainably focused long term. Flaxseed, you don't want to get all that energy clogged up in you. You might explode. If you don't have flaxseed, don't worry. You could also substitute it with chia seeds or grass. We're going to add raw vanilla powder, raw blue agave, Ceylon cinnamon, and always make sure that you pair up your bananas with dates, otherwise the bananas will get lonely. Okay, first things first, let's put all of our frisky ingredients into this food processor. That's pretty much it. How you get the brick. All you have to do now is shape it. Here it is. It should feel all clumpy and lumpy and plumpy. Next, we have to make sure it's brick shaped, otherwise the nutrients won't be activated properly. There's been studies shown that sphere-shaped food causes an imbalance of chakras, thus leading to poor digestion. Shoot, I don't think I washed my hands. Please eat responsibly and do not consume energy brick when you are driving, operating machinery, or consume more than 2 bricks while you are pregnant or non-pregnant. If you find that you cannot make a bowel movement after eating energy brick, do not worry, that's normal.